Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Friday market webcast. Okay, it's not quite 9 a.m. as I'm doing this. I'm going to keep this pretty short and sweet. The Bears took it down as low as 42.60 last night. They did one of those 2 a.m. dumps from like 84 down to 60. That was after a big move down from 4,300 off of a pretty weak Asia open. So we spent the majority of yesterday just, riding, this volatility. It was a really good day. We made some adjustments in the chat room to be able to get people into very specific entries. And it's been working really, really well to just kind of get people honed in on performance. So I'm going to mention it today. I'm going to show it to you next week. And we're really, we've innovated the room over the years, and I'm always trying to come up with stuff that makes it even better. But this draws a line in the sand and basically says this is absolutely the worst entry that you can take on this setup. And what it does is it puts a specific area in mind for people, and it's working very well. All right, let's talk about the tape. The Bears are in danger. They're always in danger of dropping the ball, but they're really in danger of dropping the ball today. They need to close below the 100-day exponential moving average, which is, about 45, call it 40, 43.28, 43.27 area. It'll move a little bit during the day, but not much, You got a little bit of a bounce candle here. It's a gold-plated invitation for the Bears to do, to allow this, this bear market rally. Yeah, it's gone from 42.60 to 43.20. That's what they're supposed to do. They're supposed to go, they're supposed to be violent. They're supposed to go higher and faster than you normally, would expect them to go. And we've talked about this. You have two choices. You can be long or you can step aside, but you can't fight them short. Okay? Can't fight them short. You got to give them a chance to come in. We're flat right now. We did a little bit last night, but with a lot of the activity happening at 2 in the morning, and then the whole thing from 42.80, ripping right up to 42.95 or whatever. There was no way I was chasing that. There was no way I was chasing that at 7 o'clock in the morning. Not in a market that's come down this far, this fast, because every one of those pops, unless you're there, you're really you are asking to either buy the high or be placed in a position where you're fighting price all the way up. I don't want to be in either position, especially not in Globex. So this thing can open up. First day of October today, so we have a new monthly pivot, 43.7725. Be interested to see if that gets involved today, or if that gets involved really no later than Monday. They've got to hold the 100. They really got to hold the 100. Support back here. Support. Broke it yesterday. Confirmed it as resistance. Made a lower low. You can come back, but you really, really, really got to hold that area on a closing basis today. So we talked yesterday about compression, right? Compression, expansion. Compression, expansion. That's the way things work. Compression, expansion. And the Bears are winning these expansion battles. They've won the last two. See it right there. So we'll see how this plays out the rest of the day. It's been a big week for us. Not really sure how much we're going to trade today, especially in the afternoon. That's really the volatility of the tape and the opportunities of the tape are really going to dictate that for us. Volume weighted average price, 42.86.5. Hourly mid-band, 42.91 and change. Our proprietary moving average, 42.94.66. So we're trading right up at 43.11. I'll be interested to see what 4,300, the roundy, looks like. Daily pivot's just above. So I'd be pretty open-minded going into today. See how much this tape wants to provide opportunity. See how much it wants to whip and chop, and then make your evaluations from there as far as how much you're going to trade it. And if it's a chop shop, it's a whip shop. For us in the room, after 4 days of really nailing this thing, if I don't say so myself, if it doesn't really provide us opportunity, we're all set. We're good. We'll head into the weekend. All right. Everybody have a fantastic day. Be safe, be healthy, take care. Come join the private Facebook group. Come join the room. Get it on the ground floor of some of these innovations that we're doing, because the value of these innovations is going to take the room to another level, and you're going to want to be. Let me just say, you're going to want to be grandfathered in to this stuff, because it's going to change rapidly as we head into the end of the year. I've been waiting for the one last innovation that's really going to kind of get performance where I want it to be, and I think we're there. I'm going to spend the weekend making it even better. So I'm excited. If you can't tell, I don't get excited a lot. If you've been with me for a long time, I don't get excited. I'm excited. All right. Have a good day. Take care. Have a great weekend. Trade them well. I'll talk to you.